Sigma Additive Solutions is pivoting their business model, and rightfully so. Look at this price chart on the monthly chart. It is all over the place. However, price has been sub $20 for the better half of 18 months, with a huge support, which is now resistance at the $40 level. So Sigma Additive Solutions is a 3D printer software specialist, and it appears that they're getting into the travel business. So after consistently struggling for momentum over the past several years, Sigma Additive Solutions, a quality assurance software provider to the commercial 3D printing industry, finally brought welcome news to its shareholders. This was this past week. The company announced the acquisition of NextTrip Holdings, a travel technology company. Subsequently, the early Friday morning's announcement saw the stock pop up 170% before giving up some of those gains as investors took profits for the day. At the time of the writing, the stock is up 120% on the day. According to the accompanying press release, Sigma will acquire 100% of the capital stock of NextTrip, a technology-driven platform. NextTrip delivers innovative solutions for business and leisure travel. Fundamentally, it enhances efficiencies throughout the travel industry value chain. A couple of key points of the detail: in exchange for Sigma obtaining 100% of NextTrip's capital stock, the latter entity will acquire almost 20% of the outstanding shares of Sigma stock. Following the acquisition, the CEO of NextTrip will become the CEO of the merged public company. Sigma will change its name to NextTrip, as well as trade under a new symbol on the NASDAQ. So although such sharp transitions moving from additive 3D printing to the travel industry are risky, they are also can be compelling. Essentially, a company focuses its expertise toward an arena that may be better suited for it. With Sigma stock suffering a roughly 34% loss inclusive of Friday's pop, something had to be done. Per the press release, NextTrip features a legacy customer database of over 6 million, as well as generated over 400 million in bookings in 2019. Presumably, if the revenge travel phenomenon continues to be robust, the framework should booster Sigma stock. And the travel industry is crazy. It's very busy. Part of it is demand, part of it is supply. Not enough planes in the air to suffice the demand for people who want to travel. All right, so just kind of going back to the charts. We discussed the monthly chart. Let's go down to the weekly chart. And we can see that price is still in a decline, as it is respecting this 26-week moving average. As you can see, its price came and nipped and touched and breached it. Price fell back. Same thing happened this past week. Price breached it but closed below the moving average. When we go to the daily chart, we can see price breached the 200-day moving average but could not close above it. So I would anticipate going into this week, this 200-day moving average, which is roughly at the $8 level, is going to serve as dynamic resistance. Can we see price fill this gap? Definitely, because that was just a news announcement. Nothing has materialized as of yet in terms of revenue that they're going to be bringing in. So I would anticipate more selling pressure again going into the week, and we can see price close this gap over the subsequent weeks at the $3 or roughly at the $2.50 level. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.